community feast of Khliehshnong Sohra, a long-standing tradition, was brought back to life after decades through the efforts of the current Dorbar Shnong, led by Dr. Shembha Kharwanlang, the Rangbah Shnong, and his executive members. The 2024 edition was a grand celebration attended by dignitaries such as the local member of the District Council, Titosstarwell Chyne, the Syiem of Hima Sohra, Freeman Syiem, and other prominent figures alongside invitees involved in innovative ventures. The event honored the community's rich cultural heritage and advocated for the conservation of local landmarks and species. Key themes included the preservation of Palongka Bear, a heritage monument, and the protection of the local snakehead fish species, Lee. A vibrant tableau showcasing these elements formed part of a colorful caravan with participants dressed in traditional attire. The locality's leaders, adorned in cultural garb, enhanced the event's traditional charm. The feast featured an array of cultural performances. Traditional minstrels provided musical entertainment, while local women's groups and artists performed songs and dances. One of the highlights was the presentation of Phawar, a satirical form of folk poetry which captivated the audience with its wit and humor, bringing laughter and joy to all. Thousands of residents gathered to enjoy the feast, which offered a delectable spread of traditional dishes including jinlat, a special pork dish, alongside other indigenous cuisines. As evening approached, a mystical atmosphere enveloped the event. Bamboo torches lit the way for a grand twilight procession where residents of Khliehshnong marched together, singing and dancing from the picnic spot back to the locality. This mesmerizing display of unity and cultural pride concluded a day dedicated to heritage, community bonding, and the preservation of cherished traditions.